Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. Chrome sometimes blocks downloads it thinks are unsafe, but this can also affect files you trust. If you're sure the file is safe, you can adjust Chrome's settings or use a few workarounds to download your file without issues. Let's get started. Click on the search icon, type Registry, then right-click Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. If you see a User Account Control UAC prompt, click Yes. Before making any changes, go to the File menu, select Export, choose All in the export range, and save the file with today set as the file name. If needed, restore by selecting File, then import to load the backup. Open the HKE_current_user folder, then double-click Software, find the Policies folder, and double-click to expand it. Look for the Google folder. If it doesn't exist, right-click Policies, select New, choose Key, and name it Google. Right-click Google, select New, choose Key, and name it Chrome. Click the Chrome folder on the right panel, right-click the blank area, select New, then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name the value Download Restrictions, it's case sensitive. Double-click the value and set the value data as you prefer. Enter 0 to allow all downloads. Enter 1 to block only dangerous downloads. Enter 2 to block dangerous and suspicious downloads. Click OK when done. Close the registry editor and restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. Chrome should now stop blocking downloads according to your new setting. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.